ice cold, freezing, wet, windy Tasmanian winter's day, but we're out under the sort of carport to install that side mount number plate brake light there and replace that centralised unit. I'm not actually sure of the legality surrounding this in your area, so please don't just bombard the question section with, is it legal in my area? Is it legal in my area? To be honest, mate, I don't know. It's up to you to do your own research. Here, as far as I'm aware, it's got to be observable at 20 metres from 45-degree angle, but I'm not 100% sure, but I'm willing to take the risk. It's up to you whether you do these modifications. I'm just putting the build out there for you guys to observe. So with that disclaimer, let's get into it and replace that with that. And hopefully Gilby will look just that much cooler. Down the back here, got the smashed up ratty number plate, just held on with some bolts. Put them aside because I reckon they're going to be useful. Yeah, 3 seconds into it, I'm already in the shed looking for extra bits. Cool, 15. Come back here. Cool. Right. Just to remind ourselves, yellow so yellow is the running light, blue to green is the brake light. Turn that off. So, remarkably, it's actually seemingly the same, but we'll see. Take that off. Through it back through there. So, on the right hand side, underneath the seat, black, blue, yellow. What's that? In there. So they're the indicators, and that's the light. Let's press the tabs back in to hold that wiring away from the tyre. Next thing, some 1/2" blanking grommets to cover those holes. So they're 1/2" blanking grommets. In a pneumatic society, I have no idea why I was only able to buy 1/2", but who cares? I got what I could, and with a bit of fettling, as you can see, they fit. Alright, let's get some crap out of the way. So I want it to, for ease of mounting, mount on the left hand side. So we've taken the central mounted number plate off, we've blanked the holes, and ultimately let's put the side mount number plate together so that we can mount it and then wire it up. So, gonna have to do a bit of jiggery pokery, I think, with the number plate to get that to fit, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. That's the mount there. Cool. Cool. 14. And a 5mm Allen key. These aren't the best quality, so I wouldn't wail on these Allen keys too much, just at risk of rounding them out. Cool. Goes there. Just nip them up. Through there. Again, I just wouldn't wail on them too hard, because at $21.95 it's not the most expensive item, and you just don't want to round off those bolts. Cool. Cool. So next thing, let's get it on the bike. 22.19. Why? Right. That. So I left that and used that just so that it gives me enough to put a split pin down in there shortly in that crown nut, so it doesn't come flying out, work its way loose. Blue to blue. Yellow. slack. Cool. See, running light on, brake light, running light, brake light. Cool. So, next thing is to tidy this up. So guys, with a bit of messing about, there is the side mount number plate on, done and dusted. After doing some electrical work, yep, it starts. Running light and the brake light. Running light, then the brake light. Indicator. Indicator. Yep, indicators are working. So as I said before, I don't know the legality of a side mount number plate in your state, your country, your province. It's up to you to do your own research work. I think it looks great. I'm willing to accept the risk. Here, I think it's 20 meters at 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty easily read it. At 10, it's a bit hard with all the gear in the way, but yeah. But with that being said, I'm not overly fussed. Willing to accept the risk because it looks pretty darn cool. So till next time guys, my name's Taz. I am out.